Hey guys, I'm going to walk you through setting up a simple Node.js service. I happen to be on my Windows box right now. You have to have Node.js installed. If you don't have that installed, I've got a video out there that you can reference for that, or there's plenty of resources online outside of that. Also, if you've seen any of my other videos, you might recognize the code that I'm going to be using. It doesn't require any additional libraries. It's just a simple service that hosts to HTTP. And I'll go ahead and show you that. You will have to, like I said, have Node installed. So make sure that that is available to you. So what we're going to do is let's go ahead and look at the server.js code that we have here. Like I said, it's just going to be a simple HTTP. We've got a request and response. Our response is going to respond right here with a 200 when successful. It's going to be in plain text, and we're going to respond with hello. I'm going to close it up. We're listening on the standard port 80. And then the server, like I said, and down here, we're going to log to console to clarify what port it is that we're listening on. So right here, if we go to localhost, because I'm just running this on my local machine, we'll just get back that there's nothing running here. So let's go ahead and do a node, and what you do is you point it to your application file that you're wanting to run. In our case, it's going to be server.js. So let's go ahead and run that. So that's going to come up and it's going to say that the server is now running on 80, which is this console log right here that we set up. And so we're going to come over here, we'll go ahead and reload this, and because standard HTTP is on port 80, it's going to come back and there's that hello response that we expected. So a few gotchas here. You might want to come in here and change this to something like hello guys. That's cool. Don't expect that to automatically refresh. I'll put together another video explaining what it is that you're going to want to do for that kind of active development, but realize that if you're wanting to change your code like that, that you're also going to have to stop your service, so Control-C, stop your service and then reinitiate it. And so this time we're going to come back over here, we're going to look at it, and it's going to say hello guys. One more thing I want to point out here is the listening port, port 80. So right here, like I said, this by default, your web browser is putting this in for you. Localhost, that's the same thing. So :80, localhost :80, that's going to be the same thing as just putting localhost. But say you want a non-standard port number here, let's go ahead and put 8088 or something, right? I usually test with port 8080 is why I'm doing this, just to kind of show that it's not cached or anything. Let's go in here, and so here, did I start that back up? I can't remember. I didn't start it back up, so let's start that back up. And let's change our message here, port 8080, make sure that that's going to. And then let's go ahead and run our service again. It says server is now running on port 8080. Ideally, I should make that a variable or something so that I don't have to change it in both places. Like I said, this is just a simple application. Let's go back over here. We still don't have anything running on port 80, the standard port here. Let's go ahead and go to 8088. And there's our service again. Okay. Guys, thanks for watching. Just wanted to quickly kind of show you how to get that up and going and help you on your way. Thanks for watching.